Our biggest contract month ever! Here's how we got 19 new properties under contract in just 1 month. Number 1, we focused on the lead metrics. You can't get contracts without appointments, and you can't get appointments without talking to sellers. In November, we added a midday accountability check-in to our sales team, which increased performance by 23%. Number 2, good old boring follow-up. 5 of those 19 contracts were from follow-up or previous appointments, one of those being over a year old. You have to find ways to incentivize your team to do the boring work. Number 3, we attended 71 new appointments in January, just shy of our close rate of 20%. Newfound seller optimism after the election, staffing up our sales team, and crucial work in those periods between the holidays delivered massive results. Number 4, team sales contest. We gave a bonus commission to the team that could sign the most contracts for the month. Now these sales contests rotate from month to month and bring out the competitive greatness of your team. Number 5, marketing. Of those 19 contracts, 4 came from Google pay-per-click, 5 came from pay-per-lead, 2 came from referrals, and 8 came from texting. In the last 90 days, while most wholesaling operations have seen a huge downtick in inbound lead flow, we've seen a huge uptick in outbound lead flow. Comment below which of those would give you the most amount of contracts signed in the next 90 days.